This tutorial will guide you through on how to add a transparent background to your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, drag your video clip that you would like to add a transparent background. Make sure you add an in point by adding I or Control I, and then add an out point O or Control O, like so. First step is to go to the top left hand screen and click Effect Controls. Make sure your video clip is selected and highlighted. Click Motion. We're going to just make sure this fits on the screen by dragging to the right. The next step is to click Effects. If you do not have these options, go to the top left hand screen, click Window, and make sure Effect Controls and Effects is selected and checkmarked or highlighted. Under the search bar, type in the following: color space key. And underneath the keying folder, you want to click the drop down arrow, click select color key, and drag it on your video timeline. As you can see, it's now selected. Go to the effects control tab, and then underneath the color key, you want to click the drop down arrow, and then scroll to the right and click this eyedropper tool. Click on your program window of the color you would like to remove, and then click color tolerance and drag this to the right, edge thin, number 1. And now you want to click Ctrl+M on your keyboard to bring up the export settings. Underneath format, scroll down until you see the option QuickTime. Underneath the preset, click the drop down arrow and click the option GoPro Sign Form RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. Save your video underneath the output name and then click Q or Export. And then locate on your computer, PC, or laptop device the transparent video and drag that in Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you see, if we drag this on our video clip or timeline, you have now successfully created and made a transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro.